we OMG. We a house of content.
Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Arcades. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. So the last time I went to the market with 300 Ghana cedis and I showed you guys what I got in this expensive era. Okay, all right. So today we are going with 800 Ghana cedis. So let's see what we get. Okay, let's go.
You know, when you want to go and bargain, you have to look rough. So you have to put on your headscarf so that you look older and rough. So let's go to the market. All right, so I'm here at the market now, and you remember the last time tomatoes, I don't know whether they were out of season or they were just being wicked, but one tomato was literally like 2 Ghana cedis and 1 cedis. But today when I went, the ones in the red containers were 25, and the ones that I bought that she's taking for me now in the white paint rubber was 35 Ghana cedis. And she told me the pepper that is in the green pepper in the red container is 15 cedis, but I told her no, I just want to buy 5 cedis. And look how much she poured for 5 cedis. Guys, look at this pepper for 5 Ghana cedis, and she wanted to sell that one for me for 15 cedis. I told you, look rough, it works. All right, so I bought just these 2 things from her, and then I moved on to my cold store place where it's not mine. I moved on to the cold store place where I get chicken wings, turkey wings, fish, red fish, and all that I need except blood red meat like cow and goat meat. He doesn't sell those things, but yes. So here I'm getting my chicken wings and all cuts for me. My fish is also getting cut and everything, and then from there I go to buy spices and tea, tomatoes and all of that. But the vlog will not be able to show when I came home, because in the market I got a call from Habi that the lights were off, and my area, because of the rains, when it starts to rain, then the lights just go off and it takes them mad long to put the lights on. So I said I was hungry, so I got myself some fine yago. So this is the list that I took, and I was able to buy almost everything on the list. So like I was saying, I quickly went home. So and when I go home, I quickly had to cook and then prepare the things and freeze them, and so I couldn't show you guys the rest. But this is the next thing.
So I just went to blow dry, wash my hair. Yesterday was light out like the whole day, so I'm waiting for the lady to braid my hair to come. So I'm heading home now, and yeah, get ready for the braids. She's on TikTok, and I found her on TikTok, and my cousin also went to do her hair with her, and she seems pretty good. So I'll show you guys the process of the hair and how it turns out. Okay, yeah. And then I'm going to wash it down with some cranberry juice.
Okay guys, so she's finally here. She's called Okaile Glam on Instagram and TikTok, and she's killing it on TikTok. Like, she's almost blown up on TikTok. So she's a young girl who is trying to make a living, and I must say that I was so proud of her. She's a student and she's doing this on the side. So, and when she came, she was friendly. She was just a little bit late, but yeah, she was friendly, she was respectful. And her prices are cool. Actually, her prices are actually cool. And I think she took 90 cedis, but in total I paid 110 Ghana cedis for the hairstyle plus hair transportation. And I didn't even have to buy the wig. She brought the wig, the braid, this thing. So I must say that she was very chatty. She was asking very relevant questions. So after school, what is next after school? What should she do? You know, she was asking all the good questions, and I will recommend her all day because she's good. If you check out on TikTok and Instagram, you see the very nice works that she has done. And yeah, I'm really wishing her all the best. And yeah, so you will see us just chatting, laughing, because it's my first time of meeting her, but I felt like I've seen her before. I know her. So yes, I wish you guys the very best of the day. I hope this vlog was interesting enough. I'm trying to create some good content for you guys. So she just also took some videos for her TikTok, as you guys just saw.
So we are done, but it's raining. There's light off. Please book her, okay? If you need her contact, she's on TikTok and on Instagram. Braid specialist. I'll show you guys my hair in a minute.
And yeah, so I really enjoyed my session with her. If you want to book her, you can go on TikTok. Her number is on there. Instagram, her number is also on there, so you can always reach out to her. She's quick at responding, and it's strictly by appointment because, like I said, she's a student, so you have to book her in advance, and then she will make time to come to you. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. And when Fish came back, after we were done, Fish came back in the evening, and then we, you know, kind of went through our wedding videos and all that. And so we had a good night afterwards. So I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Be a house of content.
Sanko Tonica say or call in a den your friend. When you uncle.
Okay. After the picture, man,
One time and chunk and no baby. Wow, for this Marshall, can we die of Wako?
good families.